सो गाइज ये है मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम यूनिट 1 इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स both chapters. Chapter 1 electric charge and fields, chapter 2 electrostatic potential and capacitance. First, electric field at a point on axial line of dipole. Second, electric field at a point on equatorial line of dipole. Third, proof of Gauss theorem. 4. Coulomb's law from Gauss law. Electric field intensity due to very long strength line charge. Torque on dipole placed in electric field. 7. Electric potential due to single point charge. 8. Potential energy of an electric dipole. 9. Relation between electric field and potential difference. 10. Capacitance of a parallel capacitor. 11. Capacitance of parallel plate capacitor with dielectric slab. And 12. Energy stored in a parallel plate capacitor.